Want to know how to check nearby Instagram stories in Instagram Maps? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step pattern how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Instagram application. And once you have done that, just simply open up your map feature. So we have also created a video on how to do it, so make sure to watch it. Open up your map feature. Here you should be seeing your pin maps right here. And in order to take stories, here you should be seeing options like these right here. So you can just simply zoom into it. Here you can see the nearby stories of various places. So you just simply select any one of these, and then here you can see stories will be up here at this. So simply select it, and once that is on, here you should be seeing your story popping up just like this right here. So you should have friends for this to happen, and that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.